Hello everyone, it's Recharger here and welcome to another 143 scale video. And today we have another Opel Collections car. This is the Opel Kadett B made from 1965 till 1973. This is a very simple, basic two-door, sorry for the glare, like daily vehicle. Although in the back picture it shows that it's a four-door, this one's a two-door. Maybe they didn't have a picture from a two-door, I don't know. Top speed is 140 kilometers per hour. It's a 1.0 basically engine. Could be a 1.1 maybe on, I don't know. Could go in up to 117 seconds. It has 60 horsepower. So that's that. Nice red interior. I like the white and everything. So let's get it out. So it looks like I'll have to adjust the front tire. As you can see the plastic there. But everything else looks okay. Don't see any other issues on it. Okay, so let me get it off the base and I'll be right back. So this one came off the base super easy comparing to the all of the other models I have ever opened from this company. Okay, there we go. This one looks very nice, detailed for in the front. Lensed headlights, separate grille piece, separate bumper. You got the window wipers. This one has no window in the sides. In my previous video, I was wondering like it was fully closed, so I don't know. I left some fingerprints on the windows. We have the little mirror right there. And then here's the back, also lensed taillights. We have a separate piece for the bumper. The exhaust is a separate piece also. And comparing to the previous model I opened on my other video, this one has a very nicely detailed base, where the other one had no, it was just basic flat plastic with just even these parts were not detailed. They were just cubes and that was it. But oh, what is this? Looks like we have some paint rash. That's sad. Yeah, well, it was displayed from this side, so there was no way I could have seen the other side if I wanted to. So it is what it is. Sadly, there's nothing I can do. These are like on the cheaper side models, so there's I noticed there's also some painting flaw going around this window. On this side looks very nice. On this side it's not that nice. So yeah, these are on the cheap, very cheap size models, so there's nothing I can really go like, oh, I'm upset, I'm not gonna throw it out, and it's just blah blah blah. I knew that these are not gonna be high quality cars anyway, so but nobody else makes these as much as I know, so I'm pretty okay with that. So it's a die-cast body, plastic base, rubber tires, and it also rolls. So what more do you need? I personally don't like the static ones that don't even move. I did open one of those, didn't like it. So that's that. And that will be it for this video. Hope you liked the video. Leave a like if you did. Subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.